Welcome to the tutorial on cinematic video editing in Filmora Mobile. Upload your first video clip. Make sure its aspect ratio is 16.9. Now go to animations and give it fade in. Now find a changing beat in the music, trim the video. Import more video from this plus sign, and trim all clips with the high notes in the music. Bring down one clip as overlay by clicking track switching. Now crop the main track video and overlay to 1.1 aspect ratio. Place both clips side by side. Give them slide right animation. Make a copy of the last clip and make it overlay. Make second copy. Place this copy sync with the music. Apply mirror mask all three clips. Give slide right animation to all three clips. Now go to filter and do some color grade adjustments. Give filter 7 crimes, control exposure, contrast, and temperature. Thanks.